Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so I've waited all day to put out this video because yesterday, Yes Oh Yes on their Instagram put up a post showing that there was going to be a big announcement today. So I waited all day just to make sure this was the one. So this is a spoiler that has been revealed for the July Yes Oh Yes box. So if you remember on their Instagram, or if you even look on their Instagram, they gave everybody an option between the Beauty Creations palette, the Splash of Hues palette, or the Beauty Creations Annette 69 and the Beauty Creations collab palette. So of course everybody picked the Annette 69 palette, which I totally agree. I think everybody's pick was amazing. I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous. But here it is, guys. This palette will be in the July Yes Oh Yes box. This is the Beauty Creations Annette 69 and Beauty Creations collab palette. And when they reveal even more spoilers, I will be sure to keep you guys updated. Also, if you have not tried out Yes Oh Yes, it is linked below. I do have a code for you to use. It is Self-Taught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box if you do want to check them out. It is down there, and you save a little bit of money. I make a tiny bit of money, but it's a win-win for both of us, guys. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also guys, if you would rate the video for me, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.